Tax and fiscal regimes are various frameworks by which government and these players, these IOCs, they can enter into some sort of an arrangement by which the oil is explored, produced, transported, refined, distributed, and ultimately money earned. This is the logic behind, this is the rationale behind tax and fiscal regimes. I hope it is clear. Adele, Deepak, Sandeep, Shreyansh and Veda, yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? So this is the brand objective of fiscal regimes, to create participation between government, resource holder and the companies so as to produce oil and ultimately gain revenue. Three types of fiscal regimes are prevalent globally in oil and gas sector. Right? What are those? The first is concession or license and concession. License and concession. License and concession regime. License and concession regime or simply concession regime. License concession or simply concession regime. Concession regime. Second is contract regime. Contract regime. Contract regime can have production sharing contracts. Production sharing contracts, PSCs, or production sharing agreements, Both are same. PSCs, production sharing contracts, or production sharing agreements, PSCs, both are same. PSAs, right? So contract, this is one type of contract regime. Second is service contracts. Right? So service contracts can be pure service contract or risk service contract. Service contract can be pure service contract or risk service contract. I hope it is clear. So tax and fiscal regimes, license and concession regime or concession regime. Second is contract regime, which is divided into production sharing contract or production sharing agreements. And second type of contractual regime is service contract, which may be further subdivided as pure service contract or risk service contract. Clear flow chart? Veda, Shreyansh, Sandeep, Deepak, Adilan, Ali. Yes or no? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us look at all these regimes one by one. Concession regime, right? Concession regime or license and concession, both are same. Who is the owner of the resources? Who is the owner of oil and gas resources? Government. Government is the resource holder. Right? Okay. Under concession regime, the government gives an exclusive right. Listen to me very carefully. Under the concession regime, the government gives an exclusive right government which is the resource holder gives an exclusive right to a private player for what? To explore and produce oil. To explore and produce oil. Oil and gas, right? Oil, gas. Clear? Under concession regime, government, which is a resource holder, it gives or awards exclusive right to a private player or players. One company, more than one company, they may have a JV, joint venture, to explore and produce oil and gas. This exclusive right is the license. Exclusive right, license is a contractual right. Intangibles, chapter number 6. TP, license is an exclusive right. License is right, contractual right. Right? So this exclusive right is a license. That is why the name license and concession regime. This is a license. Exclusive license rather. This is an exclusive license. And this exclusive license, because see, government is the resource holder. Government is the owner of the resources. And when it is giving a license, when it is awarding a license to a private player, it is giving a concession. It is giving an exclusive license. That exclusive license is a concession that, okay, I am allowing you to operate. I am allowing you to operate on my land. Look for oil and produce oil. So this exclusive license is also, it is actually a concession. That is why this regime is known as license and or a concession regime. This is the significance of the word concession. It is, government is giving a concession. I am allowing you to operate on my land and produce oil. Otherwise, I am the resource holder. I am the owner. But I am giving you a right. Veda, Shreyan, Sandeep, Deepak, Ali. Is it clear? Yes or no? This is a concession. Obviously, when the government is giving a concession or an exclusive right to a resource, to a company to look for and produce for oil, company will, I mean, simple IP and royalty. You provide a license and then you receive a royalty. So herein the company will have the private player which is awarded the license or the concession has to compensate the government. Right? Okay. So government gives exclusive right to a private player, and the private player, they will explore and produce oil, and they will pay back, they will give something to the government. They will give something to the government in return. Then only the cycle gets complete. Right? This something from the private players to the government, different types of payments. The first type of payment is a bonus, signature bonus. What is signature bonus? Government gives a contract, government awards a contract, government awards exclusive right to the private player, government gives a license. The moment you sign the license, private player has to pay a certain amount of money, fees to the government. That is known as bonus. And at the time of signing the contract, that is why it is known as signature bonus. You put a sign, you sign, and you will give a bonus. So government first of all gets a signature bonus. Number one. Second, Okay.